to mHUB's annual Women in Manufacturing Day. Hey, Empower.
Technology is going to grow exponentially. And think about it, that means each one of you is in a place today that no one else has been, because you're seeing growth at a rate that no one else has seen before you.
Illinois is the nation's 4th largest manufacturing state. We have over 18,000 manufacturers employing more than 500,000 people. So we know that Illinois is a manufacturing powerhouse, and manufacturing is such an important part of our diversified economy.
26% of tech founders in Chicago are women, but I think one of the most important things is they're actually some of the highest revenue generating companies. So for me, it's people that are in product development, women that enter manufacturing, especially in innovation. The chances that they're making money, they have a stable company versus sometimes there's a lot of talk about raises and valuations, but these are sustaining companies.
We are all about supporting underrepresented groups in manufacturing, and I'm so thrilled to see that today we are representing. So let's give ourselves a round of applause for the women in the room, the marginalized racial and ethnic identities, and the allies who have come here to support us today.